we have just adopted to send a statement of objections to one pharmaceutical company, Lundbeck, and we will send in a few days another statement of objections to another pharmaceutical company, Servier. In each of these investigations, we have reached the preliminary conclusion that these companies may have restricted competition by preventing the entry of generic versions of two medicines, one antidepressant, citalopram, in the case of Lundbeck, and one cardiovascular medicine, perindopril, in the case of Servier. The two statements of objections are also addressed to generic competitors, which concluded agreements with these two companies. In both cases, our preliminary conclusion is that payments from the originator companies, Lundbeck and Servier, to the generic companies have prevented market entry of the generic medicines. If confirmed, this behavior may have caused substantial harm to the users of these medicines. As you remember, we carried out a sector inquiry in the pharmaceutical sector in 2009, and this inquiry has shown that there are significant competition issues in the pharmaceutical industry. In particular, certain business practices delay the market entry of cheaper medicines, the generic